what you heard, nigga.
What's up, KJ gang? And I'm back with another video. So a little birdie told me I should do an eyebrow tutorial of how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do that. And before we get into this tutorial video, please hit that like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post, because I'm watching you. And if you don't hit that bell, you don't get videos that I post every day. So hit that bell, okay? So let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush with a little spoolie. And I'm gonna use it to brush my whatever hairs that I have on my forehead upwards, and I'm gonna do it on the other side, just so I know where to put the lines for the bottom of the eyebrow. Then I'm gonna brush the top of my hairs down just a little bit, just so I can see like the arch shape, even though, you know, I don't have much hairs, but you know, imagination. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my eyebrow flat square looking top eyebrow brush from BoxyCharm, okay, and I'm gonna use my medium brown pomade gel eyebrow from ELF. Okay, come on. Okay, and then I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna dab, you know, just dab it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna squeeze it up a bit so it's really thin, and take some product off, and then I'm gonna zoom in, wait for it to focus, you know, and then make my sharp line. And then I'm gonna make, what am I doing? Oh, the arch at the top of the eyebrow. And come on, there you go. Just bring it down, down. Okay, and then I'm gonna attach the bottom to the top and make it nice and pointy and sharp. Now we now we continue the line for the top, and then we blend it in the eyebrow and fill it in. Okay, so now that it is filled in, I'm gonna continue the top. I'm gonna continue the top line and then continue to fill it in. Then I'm gonna just rub off a bit of the excess, just because it's getting too long. Okay, now I squeezed the top of the eyebrow bristles to make it really thin. I'm gonna create thin strokes as eyebrow hairs. So now that I made the eyebrow hairs, I'm filling in the rest of the eyebrow just so it could like connect and blend all together. And then I'm gonna just rub off some of the excess gel or whatever. Okay, so that's the finished look of the eyebrow. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm going back with strokes. I'm adding more strokes. Okay, so now I'm taking the Pro Concealer with my concealing brush from BoxyCharm. Okay, so now I'm applying the concealer under my eyebrow to shape it out more and define the arch. And I'm also applying it at the top. So now I'm taking the brush and I'm going to start to blend in the concealer and shape out the eyebrow. And this is the important part, because you have to make sure your arch looks snatched and sharp. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to blend out the top. And that's when you create the sharp arch. You know what I'm saying? It's like painting. You have to do it very lightly, and you have to have the most steadiest hands, or you're gonna just conceal your whole eyebrow off. Now I'm gonna clean up the strokes and conceal it to make it more sharper. And I'm still concealing because I always make sure my eyebrows are sharp. That's like the most compliments I get is my eyebrows. They're always shaped and sharp and perfectly the same. So eyebrows is always my okay, so that's my eyebrow. Bam, bam. Okay, yes. 3, 2, 1, snap, baby. Okay, so this is both of my eyebrows, and yes, it may look crooked because it is, but that's why I have the concealer to blend out with my beauty blender and fix the eyebrows, because it's a little crooked in the middle. One eyebrow's a bit longer than the other, but I'm gonna blend that out and I'm gonna fix it up so that issue is gets solved. And that never happens to me. I never like make my eyebrows crooked, but I think YouTube kind of put pressure on me and I got a little nervous, but you know, everybody gets nervous. Even though nobody's watching me, but the camera. Okay, so yeah, I'm just blending everything out to make the concealer. Oh, okay, see my forehead moving and everything. Blend, 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 blend. See, it's basically blended. Ooh, that eyebrow is crooked. Come on, fix it. Okay, so all the concealer is basically blended out. I'm just making sure it's like, you know, doesn't look cakey in some spots or doesn't look obvious, even though I want to be putting foundation over it because I'm going out, but just for this video. Okay, so now I'm taking the concealer and I'm fixing out the eyebrow shape. And I'm blending it again with my beauty blender. I'm digging in. What? Okay. Why am I digging so hard like that? Okay. Why am I keep rubbing so much? So that's the finished look of my eyebrows. So I hope you like this tutorial. Don't make your eyebrows crooked, y'all. Don't copy that part. But you can copy the other steps, but just not that part. But yeah, so that's just how my eyebrows look. The lines are not too harsh, but you can see there's lines. You know, the gel looks very smooth throughout. The arch looks nice and perfect. okay? Wink wink. And yeah, you see my eyes, no lashes, okay? Ew, my forehead. Okay, anyways, I think that's it. So if you like this video, hit that like button, comment down below, and yeah, so I'm gonna finish my full makeup. I'm gonna do it off camera, so I'll see y'all in a second with a full beat face. Yes. So this is the finished look that I did. I did something simple, just a little glitter on the eyeliner just to make it pop out a bit more. But anyways, I hope you liked the eyebrow tutorial video. This is what the video was about, not my whole makeup look, but I'm going out, so I have to look, you know, anyways. Why am I so weird? Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get videos from me every single time I post, because I am watching you, and if you don't hit that bell, you don't know when I post. So hit that bell, just make me feel good, okay? And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.